Hi, my name is Ron Garth. I'm one of the co-founders of Resource Furniture. Steve Spett and I began the company in the year 2000. We have since become the global leader in transforming furniture and multifunctional furniture. We have evolved the company into one of the most sustainable and resource-respectful companies in the world. Our principal supplier for the wall beds in our company is a company called Clay. They're in Northern Italy, and they have a remarkable 55-year history, and that history is really one of sustainability. Now, if we define sustainability, we're talking about the conservation of resources, using as little energy as possible. You're talking about using resources in the most careful and precise way that you can. This is really what Clay is all about in terms of what their product is and what their focus is. First of all, the products themselves create the sustainability because you are able to use a space in more ways than one. So the space becomes functional 24 hours a day. Your carbon footprint is shrinking by using the furniture, and you don't need 3 different rooms for the 3 different activities. Second aspect is all of their products are CARB 2 and TSCA compliant. CARB 2 is California Air Resources Board second generation regulations for the release of formaldehyde into the environment, and it addresses the manufacturing of wood panels used in the manufacturing of furniture. Medium density fiberboard, high density fiberboard, chipboard, or any composite wood panel. Normally those things were put together with a lot of formaldehyde content in the glue. And so there is a minuscule amount of formaldehyde that is now allowable to be released into the environment. We actually worked with Clay very closely and got them to understand the necessity of doing this. And we told them, this is coming to America and it's coming to the world. That VOC-free finishes, VOC-free products are going to be essential to the environment and to the health of individuals. And when you're living in a smaller space and you are utilizing your space for more hours per day and your furniture is off-gassing, this is a problem. So Clay's furniture has no new furniture smell. That new furniture smell is off-gassing, and there is no off-gassing. You walk into one of our showrooms, there is no new furniture smell. You have water-based lacquers, water-based glues, and the CARB 2 compliance and TSCA compliance requires a third-party certification that those panels in their manufacturing are not releasing formaldehyde into the atmosphere in their manufacturing process. The quality of the work is remarkable. First, the materials they use is a composite wood material. The composite wood material that they use is all recycled or reforested product. So the material that they're using is very sustainable. There's actually several reasons why they use composite wood. First, the composite wood is lighter, and these products are, throughout the world, they're delivered flat packed. There's 300 to 400 boxes in a container, so it's much easier if the product is lighter. It's also truer. The patented mechanisms that Clay has, they're so disciplined in the way they are that you need to have product that will not move. You can't have wood expansion and contraction, and the composite wood products guarantees the material will not change, and it's completely durable in that respect. The lifetime warranty is a key element in our business, and the reason it's a key element is because we wanted to be understood that the furniture is not disposable. This has lifetime after lifetime of use. A lot of furniture, you damage one part of it and that's it, you're done. Clay's product is all modular, and that's the other thing that makes Clay's product completely sustainable, because if one panel or one part of the system becomes wet or damaged in some way, that particular piece can be replaced and the remainder of the bed is still usable. So the next aspect to Clay and actually all of our supply chain is the aspect of human rights. This is something that is part of our core belief and something that has always been how we decided to be in business and what we were going to be, when we decided to have a business. So all of our supply chain is in Europe, and so there is vacation time, there are healthcare benefits. It's a very craft-intensive, skilled labor force, highly paid. And it's one of the reasons why our furniture is not the least expensive option. We don't want to be the least expensive option. We want to be the highest quality, the most sustainable, the most cared for staff. And our staff are compensated. Our staff will have vacations and healthcare, profit sharing, and 401k programs. And for a small business, we have benefits of a huge business. But that's what we believe in, and that's the life that we live. And that's what we want to give our customers, and that's what we want to give our staff. My principal interest is in finding a product that meets the design standards, the quality standards, the longevity standards, and the sustainability standards that is emblematic of resource furniture. We've made the wall bed and transforming furniture a category, a product category that didn't exist. But we have actually brought together a collection of suppliers that make a complete business. And my business partner, Steve Spett, and I, we are thrilled to have created this niche and brought it to North America and to the world.